Hello everyone, welcome back to SLBAVF4U 2021's channel. My name is Damian Scott Bell. This is my ultimate custom truck. It's my 2008 Ford F-250. It is the Super Duty XLT Sport Platinum Extreme Edition 4. Take a look at the bed liner. Got a gooseneck B&W hitch. Tonneau cover with bed step and railing. And this truck is the FX4 Off-Road Sport. And it's a Platinum Edition. It's the Edition 4. And it can do maximum the same launch as the new PAW Patrol does from Pup Stop Vegeta in PAW Patrol Season 7. I think it is. Got all LED lights. I love lifted trucks. These are my favorite. Take a look at the interior. I said the door is probably locked. And check this out, y'all. This interior is finished with a black leather interior. With heated rear seats. There's another view of the dash. And it's a tuxedo black metallic exterior. No sunroof, but it does have a 2005 to 10 Lariat overhead console. The driver's seat has heated and cooled and massaging functions. And let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. Fires right up. With a 6.4 starter that is lightning fast. This truck is so quiet. I have to talk over the music to avoid getting that copyright claim. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. This truck has a 6.4 Powerstroke, Supercharged and Triple-Turbocharged diesel V8 that makes 563 brake horsepower, 575 pound-feet of torque, 900 Newton meters. And that is it. Thank you all for watching. So subscribe, comment, rate, like, and share, and thumbs up about my truck. So thank you all for watching.